Real estate investing can feel complicated, but it gets a lot easier once you understand the basic types of deals. Here are the main ones every beginner should know. Number 1. Rental properties. You buy a house or apartment, rent it out, and collect monthly cash flow. This is the classic long-term strategy most investors start with. Number 2. Fix and flips. You buy a property that needs work, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. This requires more effort, but the returns can be fast. Number 3. Wholesale deals. You find a motivated seller, sign a contract for their property, and then sell that contract to another investor. This is great for beginners because you don't need money or credit. Number 4. Lease options. You control a property without owning it. You rent it now, and you have the option to buy it later. Number 5. Multifamily investments. These are duplexes, triplexes, and apartment buildings. More units means more cash flow and better long-term wealth. There are many ways to invest, but you don't need to master them all today.